Nyimbo kurwa sensemo ya Dandora nigo baba bekire byara ababwatani abo bakonekia oboibi bwechigari ase ensemeyo ya Kariobangi South kokwana nabarikia mangana no mu OCBD bwensemo ya Buruburu Boniface Lamuko uyo nyariko bakagoteba okubwatana nokuya egati y'abanyanyimbo naboigo ABANANCHI na kukoenekire ogoikirania okobekwa byara wechi number plate chechigari emi asebona asabira ABANANCHI bagendra gwesokya na kubwatesa abanyanyimbo bunenchire moyo GOSIRIA obobego oboiga na koenekio muremba ase ABANANCHI.
Here we are at Dandora police station and I'm flanked by my officers, the OCDCI Dandora, OCS Dandora, OCS Molem, and the traffic base commander for Dandora. Today, following credible information, intelligence from the members of the public, we were able to raid a residential house within Kariobangi South, that is Mutarakwa Road, where we were able to find 101 pair of number plates, that is registration plates for vehicles. We also have some for motorcycles. And as you can also see, with even materials that are used to manufacture some fake ones as well. But we'll also liaise with NTSA to assist us to get on the particulars of the plates that are bearing the chassis numbers. Credible information indicates that these vehicles could have been stolen, and in fact they are dismantled to be sold for spare parts. So to the members of the public, those who could be able to identify the registration plates that are here, they should come forward, report to OCDCI Dandora for investigation. They should be able to assist us for investigations on